Welcome to Meetzoul channels where you can watch raw videos of my travel trips in a different part of the country and abroad, in my farming life, my nature explorations, and more fun day with my family and friends. I hope you enjoy my videos today. The next day, it's uwian time. It's about time to go home. Hi guys, so we're now going home. So from here it takes like 30 minutes going to the city, or less than 30 minutes guys. So this barangay is just close to the city. This is Tungan, and we're going Tungan. Yeah, something. So I hope you enjoy guys this nice scenery here while I am on my trip going back to the city proper. Well, Bukidnon or Valencia City considered as the one of the rice producer here in Bukidnon. Valencia City is the golden harvest of Bukidnon. Yeah. And it's the second city of Bukidnon. Yan. Sana magustuhan po niyo guys. So if you happen to visit Bukidnon, don't skip Valencia City guys. So we have big malls like Robinson, Gaisano Mall, NVE Mall, and a lot more farms to visit here in Valencia. If you're fan with organic farms, not also in Valencia but also in different part of Bukidnon. So this is just the usual scenery here. So by the way, I am riding a tricycle. Yeah, that's the Mount Calayo guys. That's the Mount Calayo, Muswan, or the Central Mindanao University. One of the top 3 university now in Asia, or top 600 1 plus, diba? So not only just the best view we have here, but also the best university in Mindanao, and also not in Mindanao but in the Philippines, the entire Philippines. So there's thousands of students there. Agriculture and a lot more. So keep on watching on my video guys for more updates. I hope you include Bukidnon in your next trip guys, diba? Currently we have constructions of airport located at Don Carlos, Bukidnon. We're now in the city proper. Yan, makikita natin si Jollibee. Yan. This takes less than 20 minutes or 30 minutes guys, depends on the traffic. Estimated. We're now home guys. So we just arrived from the farm.